Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use MetaTrader 5 on Windows. MetaTrader 5 is a popular trading platform used by forex traders, stock traders, and other financial market participants. To get started, first download and install MetaTrader 5 from the official website. Once installed, launch the platform and you will be prompted to open a demo or live account. To open a demo account, click on the File menu and select Open Account. Then choose Demo Account and fill in the required information. This will give you a virtual balance to practice trading with. To open a live account, you will need to register with a broker and deposit funds into your account. Once you have opened an account, the MetaTrader 5 interface will appear. The platform is divided into several sections, including the Market Watch window, the Navigator window, and the Chart window. The Market Watch window displays a list of available financial instruments, such as currencies, stocks, and commodities. The Navigator window displays a list of your accounts, and the Chart window displays a graphical representation of the price action of a selected financial instrument. To place a trade, select the financial instrument you want to trade from the Market Watch window. Then click on the New Order button. This will open the order window, where you can set the volume, stop loss, and take profit for your trade. You can also choose to set a pending order, which will be executed when the price reaches a certain level. MetaTrader 5 also has a built-in programming language called MQL5, which allows you to create custom indicators, scripts, and expert advisors. These can be used to automate your trading and develop complex trading strategies. To access the MQL5 editor, click on the Tools menu and select MetaEditor. In addition to its trading features, MetaTrader 5 also has a range of analytical tools, including technical indicators, chart patterns, and fundamental analysis tools. These can be used to analyze the markets and make informed trading decisions. To access these tools, click on the Insert menu and select Indicators or select Object and then Chart Pattern. To get the most out of MetaTrader 5, it is essential to practice using the platform and to develop a trading strategy that works for you. Start by practicing with a demo account. Then gradually move to a live account as you become more confident in your trading abilities. It is also essential to stay up to date with market news and analysis, and to continuously monitor your trades to ensure that they are performing as expected.